Hello and welcome to the first in a series of PCSA Maths revision YouTube videos. Now over the next few weeks I'm going to be uploading a daily revision video to YouTube, giving our students and parents and teachers alike some last minute exam advice and some tips and hints on how to achieve maximum grades in the upcoming GCSE examinations. Now, obviously this first video is a bit of an introduction and a bit of a test for us all. I just wanted to give you a bit of the background so that we're all on the same page with regards when the exams are and what you're going to be facing on the days. Now obviously some of the key facts are the first exam is on Monday the 11th of June in the afternoon, and that's going to be the non-calculator paper, and then the calculator paper will be on Wednesday the 13th, first thing in the morning. Now obviously these are straight after half term, so it's going to be vital that you do some revision over half term, and there's going to be more information about revision half term schools over the next few days. Now obviously the paper length as well has slightly changed this time. It's an hour and 45 minutes for each paper, and there are 100 marks available on each paper as well. Now future videos will give some more information on examination techniques, but what's important to realise at the moment is that when you're preparing for the exams you do need to prepare for all the areas of study. All the possible topics could come up in either paper. So we can't tell you what's going to be in paper 1, we can't tell you what's going to be in paper 2. After paper 1 has been sat though, we will try to make some educated guesses about content that didn't come up that is probably going to come up in paper 2. Now each paper is worth 50% of your final grade, and you're going to be marked on the areas number, algebra, geometry, measures, statistics and probability. Now, the way in which you revise as well needs to focus on making sure that not only you understand the mathematical content, but you're able to apply your knowledge as well. Because this year there's a slightly different way in which your answers will be assessed. Some will just be recalling simple knowledge like what is an acute or obtuse angle, but in some cases you'll be asked to apply your knowledge to a certain problem. And also, there'll be around 30% of the paper on these functional elements, so questions in a real-world situation. But the future revision videos and your in-class work will help you prepare for this. Now obviously there's quality of written communication as well. As with all exams, it's very important that you follow some basic rules about putting your work clearly and making sure you are very clear when you write your answer down. Now, some of the ways in which you can prepare, and I know a lot of students are already preparing very hard, is by using past papers. Now, these are available from your teachers or online or from Mr. Coles's office. And the trick with past papers is not only to just do the first sections, but it's to try all the questions on the paper, bring it to one of your teachers to get it marked, and then use that as a tool to work out where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are and revise appropriately. Another thing is we have the Edexcel revision guides and workbooks in school. Now these are written by the exam boards, so they've got exactly the same type and style of question that you'll be facing in your exam. Now one of the online methods you can use is Method Maths. Now this is available through the VLE. If you just go onto the VLE, then you will see that it's on the very front page of the VLE. If you download the Method Maths Foundation past paper questions, then you will receive this Excel spreadsheet, and this has all the topics and all the question areas that you might face in your exam. And if you click on one of the boxes, it takes you to one of the questions, and then the beauty of this system is that you can actually put in the answers and it will mark it for you straight away, so you don't even have to wait for a teacher to mark it for you. So let's try one more. Right angle triangle, I'm pretty sure it's A5. Cracking. Okay. So another one of the ways in which you can revise is through using MyMaths. Now MyMaths is something that you will have used throughout your school career. It can be found at mymaths.co.uk, and if you just log in with the login Priory CS and the password that you can get from school, there are online lessons again for all the topics possible. It's about giving yourself a range of different revision activities. Now obviously, as I've said, we're going to be uploading our revision videos to our school YouTube account at Priory CSA. Now there are already some revision, oh hang on, embarrassing. So if we go to Priory CSA, we'll find that the Priory Community School YouTube channel has all the maths videos on there already that we filmed over the last few years, as well as all the clips that I'm going to be uploading over the next 4 weeks. And also you can tweet us any questions that you have. If you just go and tweet PCSA Maths, I recommend that I follow Mr. Smart and Mr. Andre, both outstanding mathematicians in their own right. So if you tweet us at PCSA Maths, or you can tweet the school account at Priory CSA. Now we check these regularly on a daily basis, so if you do have any questions, tweet them to those links and we'll get back to you with an answer. We'll also be uploading past papers and other revision type documents to that account. And the final bit of information really is that now is the time for questions. You have to really drill your teachers with questions about the areas that you don't understand. We can only help now really if you come to us with your problems. Most of you have covered all the content a couple of times, so it's about you picking out your areas of weakness and coming to us with the questions, and then we can help you out. Okay, well, thanks for watching this first clip. As I said, there'll be another clip up tomorrow, but feel free to email or tweet us with any questions in the meantime. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.